Mama baby, say video make sure coin bit me first at all first Bitcoin because me see the pattern now channel we so almost sending messages oh coin me so na me first at Bitcoin na ma hodi say cost run me so okay me hodi Bitcoin me see can cost so overall no person amount forecast oh also a Bitcoin investor that video make sure coin bit me first you so mobile money at all first Bitcoin enti ensem no me fa me come for na me sure coin bit me first at all first Bitcoin. Anyway, so be any some my videos people about Binance. Binance no create Binance account no. Na unim coin bit me first verifier. Me pin video be wo comment section till bit me check it. That video no me focus on how bit me first your verification and or Binance. At the same time so me pin video be make sure how bit me first create or Binance account. Into go through kakra bit me verify. Into normal be a verify account na ade bi nti a o reject ni nyina me kan was have video name nti ma fa na say wa hwe video we bia what me verify account untimi verify account am gidi say wo betimi apini sa video we down wo betimi ahwe video we onya sa nim de na anytime bia na opese won to bia onim how wo betimi afa so ene so betimi afa so atọ Bitcoin nti say ma bia Binance platform no ti fa say me niska bia wo account nim me pese me ntọ Bitcoin ye wu P2P trading no bo P2P trading so ubo P2P trading na eha no USDT for instance ha na US dollar patriota say na ewo oba ha ya ewu BTC Bitcoin that's Bitcoin na wa BTC nti ha no o to Bitcoin straight patriota hu o to Bitcoin straight you use mobile money to Bitcoin straight and na ha say ha ya nipa na wo first one no we say the limit here 80 cedis to 600 cedis meaning say nipa na ono ton no Bitcoin no Obama acquire water from 80 cities to 600 cities. Next one year, 80 cities to 5,500 plus. Inti yamfa say, honey 2 ways. 2 ways I bet me first out to Bitcoin no. One, hano, one. Meet me abo. Inti yamfa say me to Bitcoin 80 cities. But I'm mini kind more dependent terms. Or say cash out allowed. Or beje cash out allowed. Inti yamfa say me to Bitcoin Wall Street 80 cities. Me to Bitcoin 80 cities. No mabo buy. Inti mabo buy for me to Bitcoin 80 cedis nipa nse me allow cash out inti me kwa allow cash out say de obetimi aye inti ma me leave me number no wa ha ma no na me allow cash out inti me more allowed at the same time so no unse ha na ma to Bitcoin straight or na me allow cash out no na video na confuse you inti me allow cash out nipa no be send the prompt na no wa 80 cedis inti ma allow cash out inti se sia no ahani P2P trading me to Bitcoin street nti esi ana me pay USDT nti hani USDT me to US dollars nti say US dollar we no ebia haso me to 80 cedis cause nipa no say okay guy we Vodafone cash nti okay we omnyina Vodafone nti ya fan say ha USDT haso me to 200 cedis nti me to 200 cedis me make sure 200 cedis ni menya 16.92 USDT pacho 16.92 USDT nti we used to me leave me number no wo na ma allow cash out because of say we need a P2P trading e bia confident me send the prompt na man ko video me try na no papa nti bia no more da cause 60 ya be 5 something me engine say P2P merchant there say won na sa but e bia no month me send it on time nti ma me sure me nko ana me sure but bia me di kan call e no but bia me di kan call Bitcoin BTC no Ota oba benya Bitcoin straight. Pachiti. Ahano oba benya Bitcoin BTC ne beba straight to founding. Pachati just say hold the Bitcoin. Bitcoin no cost so usika ne mene be cost so. But USDT no eno ye US dollar nti eno no enko Bitcoin no cost so usika ne cost so eba form so usika ne de ema form. Eba form so usika ne be ejina na ejina. Nti yemfa ne say what to USDT no to USDT ni wi a ye free ha say transfer no usika ne be auto USDT ni no usika ne be founding I mean coach you see USDT okay it seems to be $26 wom ti yafa say independence and the prompt number kwa me $26 wom dada ti yafa say ma to okay afi no the prompt number nti mame allow let's can be ka ho nti ma allow nti sisi an yafa say ma to $26 nti scan da me founding ho nti mebo max nti ma transfer scanning $26 ni na aba me spot wallet nti from founding to spot wallet nti me de aba wo yele maba trades mfimfini your trades ni aba convert wo corner ho nti ya na ye convert from USDT to BTC nti mabebo mo say wo USDT ne wo ha say nti mabo USDT ne so to BTC okay to BTC nti mabo mark nti me pese me convert 26 USDT ni nyina mba Bitcoin no mabo preview conversation nti be ma me current rate na Bitcoin since current price of Bitcoin no ni mabo convert nti wo convert see no wa convert US dollar na ide nti wa convert to USDT na ide aba BTC Bitcoin nti see na ma convert aba BTC no Bitcoin no koso a nti see na ma convert aba BTC ni say we BTC Bitcoin investor nti ye fancy 2011 na auto Bitcoin 1 Bitcoin part satana 1 Bitcoin I think one cedi pe nti say nka auto sa 1 Bitcoin na nti see ye hwe Bitcoin the price na man for ton no high na oba BTC amount for price of moton 3.43 billion old currency. It means a one cedi now ton 2011 hono. Nka say ukita 3.3 billion. But you know, it's in to 10 pa. There's a 10 Ghana cedis 2011 auto Bitcoin 10 Ghana cedis 2011 na. Nka say am no ka say 34 billion old currency. So what to fee be a crowd what to fee be crowd is Lagos. That's for only 10 Ghana cedis. But you don't say that into sanity see so and be in the next 10 years a surprise in a question we see Canada to see ano e benyi e the amount. Into video mama 2 ways I wait me first to top Bitcoin ba ko ye oko P2P trade na BTC straight and ba ko ye USDT auto USDT straight but anytime I may prefer say meto USDT no na me convert am the current rate na e ma me but you have say the BGC video be boa ade bia ye bia ye obeko nim send me kan na cause take him to Facebook YouTube hire subscribe channel no me the videos be brown me the videos are who here what can have ya ade bia unim ade na we no